Welcome, I am Daniel Terhune from Real Estate Advantage. Always remember, have a plan, go with Dan. The owner of this house has updated thousands of dollars of items in this home in the last 2 years. Please see the attached form titled Seller's Additional Information. New 200 amp electric service and updated wiring that was incorrect, new forced air furnace with central AC, 2 new bay windows in the front of the house, new electric hot water tank, new Leaf Gaurd system on the gutters, replace the main water line, new driveway entrance and drain at the garage end of the driveway to stop any water from coming into the garage, carpeted the bedrooms and added lighting, completed remodeled the basement and sealed it so that no water can get in, and also repainted everything. The third bedroom could be used as a dining room if you wanted. The sliding glass door in the third bedroom goes out to the back deck which overlooks the backyard. Contingent on the seller closing on the house that they currently have under contract. Delayed negotiations until Sunday, April 10, 2022.